Let it find me like the morning light. Only peace, only peace. The night has laid its weary head upon the quiet sea. The stars are drifting slowly like lanterns over me. The wind no longer carries the burdens of the day, and every restless shadow has softly slipped away. I hear the distant river as it journeys to the shore, and for the first time in forever I am searching no more. No race to run, no mountain left to climb, just the silence and the passing of time. Only peace, like a feather on the water. Only peace, like the dawn beyond the night. Only peace, filling every empty corner. Only peace, like a river made of light. The clouds are painted silver by the moon above the hills, and every leaf is dancing to a melody so still. The world continues turning, yet everything feels slow, as though the earth remembers something ancient that we know. There is beauty in the stillness, there is wonder in the sky, there is healing in surrendering to the reasons we can't find. No fear to hold, no sorrow left to keep, just the rhythm of the sea and sleep. Only peace, like a feather on the water. Only peace, like the dawn beyond the night. Only peace, filling every empty corner. Only peace, like a river made of light. Carry me home. Only peace. Only peace. I have wandered through the storms, I have traveled through the rain, I have carried countless questions, I have carried hidden pain. But tonight beneath the heavens, something gentle fills the air, like a hand upon my shoulder, like an answer to a prayer. The stars ask nothing of me, the ocean wants no more, and my heart has finally anchored upon a quiet shore. Let the mountains keep their secrets, let the rivers find the sea. Let tomorrow come whenever it is meant to come. told, and the world awakens slowly to another story told. Yet somewhere in the stillness, beyond all fear and noise, there remains a simple treasure, a quiet, gentle voice.